Alright, well, got your next fast fix here is going to pertain to like a 3394, 4394 RTs. This is a situation, let's say someone has just replaced the platform harness. It goes from the platform floor to the platform control box, and then you still have some weird symptoms like the horn works and maybe some lights in the control box. But before you go pull your hair out, this one kicked my butt for a while. I want to show you a quick little trick here to help maybe save you some time and some headaches. Now this particular machine is a 3394 by the 4394, and I'm sure a handful of other JLG scissor lifts that has the platform module mounted up under the platform may be similar, but I can guarantee you the 33 and 43 do have this situation. Now what happens is, let's say you've either replaced that old platform harness to the control box or had it unplugged for diagnosing, doing a pinout test or something like that, and then you put it back together, your symptoms have changed or gotten worse, or better, or you say worse yet, you put the new one on and it still doesn't work. What you do, of course, you power it up, you don't get your lights or beep or nothing. Your horn works, which is kind of odd, but nothing else works. It's all kind of dead to the world. Now what I'm looking at, the platform harness goes through the floor here. Trace it around. Of course, it plugs into the platform module here underneath the deck. Now these plugs, this is brown in color, that should sound familiar, are supposed to be indexed. So only go in one way. You'll see like a terminal here, or I guess you'll see a guide on this side and a guide on that side. Now the problem is this one is slightly wider, but not enough of a difference. It's supposed to prevent you from plugging the plugs in the wrong way, but it will plug in either way. So with that information there, you probably already figured out what's going on. You can actually plug this plug in backwards, and it gives you one heck of a headache. Typically, the plugs are indexed, let's say like this gray one here. It has one here and one here, which makes it impossible then. If you have this 180 out, it just will not go in. So, that being said, before you go back down that rabbit hole of your diagnostic trail and beat your head against the wall, you might just have this brown plug plugged in backwards. Now I've corrected the orientation. Now see, now when you turn it on, all the lights come on, horn still beeps. And now it has the potential to start. Now that I've shared the little secret of the ever elusive brown plug underneath the platform on these that can plug in either direction, just keep in mind, just because they're indexed doesn't mean it won't go. So you gotta throw that assumption out. So if you've just replaced a component, I've learned a long time ago, we are typically our own worst enemies. In this situation, I've done this to myself. I beat my head against the wall, replaced the harness, and kind of find out I just had it plugged in backwards. So if I can save you a lot of grief and some headaches, check that plug out. It's happened many times since then, so I wanted to share it with you. Maybe to help you out and get you moving on to the next job quicker. So again, thanks for watching, and I appreciate your time, and I'll keep posting up some more videos as we go. And if you do have anything, if you're banging your head against the wall, send me a comment. The email link is in the description here on this video. I'll see if I can help you out. I might have been there. Thanks again for watching. This doesn't happen without you watching this. If you could, please subscribe. Keep me going. Like I said, send me some more information on what you have. Maybe I've got the solution. Thanks again for watching.